Hello my friends, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Grace My Space. Today I am thankful to DESLOC for sponsoring this video. We're going to chat about smart locks. Now today I'm going to be sharing the DESLOC B200 smart lock, and I'm going to show you all the different very convenient ways that you can access your home using this smart lock. Now, the installation process is extremely simple. It only takes a maximum of 15 minutes to set up the entire system.
Please swipe your card. Input successful. Please press again. Input successful.
You can simply unlock with the app itself, via IC cards, with your fingerprint, or with a PIN code. Of course, there's also a physical key as a fail-safe. The app also includes a variety of different features, including record keeping, so you can see who has entered and why. And personally, I love that there's a capacity to store up to 150 PIN codes and 50 fingerprints, allowing multiple family members to come and go as needed. Now, another great feature, even though it has low battery reminders and powerful battery supply, if for some reason you've forgotten to replace your batteries and you also do not have your physical copy of your key, there's redundancies with an AC power supply adapter. You simply plug in and you'll have immediate access to your door. This gives me so much peace of mind knowing that my kids can access anytime they want, and you can also designate within the app if it's a one-time use code or recurring, in case you need to allow someone access to your home only once when you're not available.
Locked.
Now, another awesome feature of accessibility is to hook it up to your smart lock gateway, and this gives you voice control. Hook it up to your Alexa and have complete control over locking without even having to get off your sofa. This is especially convenient for instances like you're cooking, your hands are full of stuff, you hear the kids trying to get into the house, and you just say, Alexa, open the garage door. And then it's open, you don't even have to leave what you're doing, and it's just very convenient. Now, I will link the DESLOC B200 for you in the description. Make sure to check it out. A big thanks to them for sponsoring today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time.